case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the United States District Court for the District of New Jersey heard the case of Wilson v. Tard, which centered around the principle that the prosecution must prove all elements of a crime beyond a reasonable doubt and cannot force the defendant to disprove any elements on their own. Christopher Wilson was charged with manslaughter and possession of a handgun in New Jersey. During his trial, he claimed that he made a reasonable mistake about the gun's loaded status, negating the mental culpability required for a manslaughter conviction. However, the trial judge instructed the jury that the burden of proving this defense fell on Wilson, violating his constitutional rights. The Appellate Division upheld the conviction, stating that Wilson's actions were reckless. In response, Wilson filed a petition for habeas corpus, arguing that this decision violated his constitutional rights. The district court granted the writ, finding that the trial court's jury instructions deprived Wilson of his right to due process, as established in Mullaney v. Wilbur. The court determined that the defendant should only have had to raise the issue of a mistake, while the state had the responsibility to disprove it beyond a reasonable doubt. As a result, Wilson was entitled to a new trial in which the state would be required to prove all elements of the crime without burdening the defendant to disprove any aspect.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.